Oh no, what's that? The mango and fall. Today is.
Yes, it's the mango. It's the rain. The rain is come and the rush the mango
Fall down.
and fall down.
So
And
many.
people pick the mango into the table.
Okay. One by one. Wow. Today is the wind, and the wind is so many, but the raining is coming soon, and the mango fall down so many. Yes, the raining it's done come in so long time, and we don't have the water. Yeah, what? Check. Where?
Yeah.
No, it's there. Wow, it's mango. It's broken, right?
Yes.
It's not.
But you see what is that? But the mango one more.
Yeah, one more.
The,
Just take this one. Put it on the table. This one is so good, right? Okay. Okay. Another one.
Daddy, I want you too.
What?
Me too.
Take this one. Okay. What? Mali, you can take this one. This one. This one. Just take on the table and on chair.
Look, it's Daddy.
Yeah.
Hello. Today I don't see the mango stick anymore. But the star is a baby smile. But it's my star.
That's and yeah. Wow. Another one is so many. This one. Wow. It's so big.
This one.
Yeah. This one is so big, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Ali, this one.
I like yeah.
Wow. Take
But
so
Daddy,
many.
yeah, Daddy, I like to yummy.
Yeah.
Daddy. But this one, Daddy. But I want time. I need you until one. But you see the mango so many. I
Wow,
want
so
to
many.
you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Wow.
I should know with Daddy. Yeah, Daddy, I love to yummy. Come on, let's go
To your house?
to. No.
Oh.
Take the mango.
It's not this one. Like this.
This one. Yes.
Wow.
The mango is.
Yeah, today is a mango and fall down so many. Look on the tree mango like this.
Daddy, what is that?
Yeah, to look like this.
Wood.
Wow, this one is so great, right?
This one is big.
Yeah.
It's the green one.
Can you look like this? Many mango and maybe 3 times or 4 times we maybe fall down on like this, on like this.
Daddy, I see the mango. This one is the mango. This one is one too. This one is mango. Daddy.
Yeah. Also.
Also, it's a mango.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 2. Say goodbye,
Say goodbye.
everyone.
Goodbye.
Don't forget
everyone.
subscribe my channel.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yeah.